Model 2016 Citroen Nemo BIPPER HDi €80 ULEZ compliant enterprise needs turbo. Body blue, panel van. Mileage 100,300. Engine 1248 cc 1.3 HDi €80. Transmission 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Gas stick is a little bit floppy than usual. Gearbox itself is perfect, just the mechanism on the gear stick simple repair. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111